Good morning. Good morning. Funny how things happen. I just did that video yesterday on how to work the airport queue. And I looked at the Lyft app today. And as you can see here, now you'll never miss out on extra earnings for an airport pickup. Even if you hadn't entered the bonus zone before accepting the ride, you'll still earn the full bonus. Now, this is huge because how many times when you're going into the airport to make a drop off, the bonus zone at the queue might be $3, $5, $10, $20, $25. And you don't get it because you automatically accept a rematch. And I bet people have been not accepting the rematch because they want to run to the zone and get the bonus. Once again, here comes Lyft. They're trying to do right a little bit, and I can appreciate that. Funny though, right? I just did that darn how to work the queue yesterday. Anyway, listen, making a couple bucks on the Lyft stock today. It's moving pretty good. So y'all take it easy. Keep this in mind. And hit the buttons below, y'all. And if you're new, there's a link down there. You can sign up to drive for Lyft. All right, y'all. Peace out.